Welcome. My name is Randy Jenny, and this is a short video demonstrating Sparklines and some totals. It's aimed at MacEwan University students taking business computing, and you can download the Excel highlights file using the link below. I'm going to begin on the basics worksheet in cell K19. And I'm going to build some sparklines. Sparklines are basically small charts that exist within a particular cell on the spreadsheet. So I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to go over to the Sparklines section and click on Line. It needs a data range, so I'm going to select from cell F19 to J19. So basically the sales from 2013 up to the projected sales of 2017. And I'm going to click OK. And it builds a little sparkline. Now I'm going to dress that up a little bit. I'm going to turn on high point and low point, because then it puts two red markers on the very highest point and the lowest point of the sparkline. I'm going to grab the fill handle and fill that down so that it builds a sparkline for each of the four products. And that's it for sparklines. Now, just to complete this, I'm going to dress up my totals a little bit. So I'm going to go to Auto Sum here and sum up this range of cells, F19 to F22. I'm going to go back to that cell and I'm going to use a cell style called Total. And then I'm going to fill that across to J23. Now if I click somewhere else, you can see that it puts a nice blue line over top and a double blue line at the bottom to emphasize the totals. And that's it. Thanks very much.